Khumalo gets arrested for labor-related matter. And then there are these people who have been eating chickens and eating food of prisoners and blessed with Austin Martins and all of that. A person is accused of irregular appointment, and that becomes a big issue when we've got this other. So when this is presented before us, it looks like there are others who are treated differently, irregular and crime. When does one become the other? Because if we're to follow what you did, we're going to lock up a lot of people.
There was an active gratification to a person who should never have gotten the job, and they manipulated the processes as we've set out on pages 7 to 9 of the charge sheet. An appointment of the incorrect person, even in the municipality, robs South Africans of service delivery.
For me, this is quality leadership coming from a black woman. You answer questions properly, you give us information, well articulate. I thought Winnie Mandela died, but Winnie Mandela is multiplied.